Have you ever noticed that your office is suddenly filled with avocado toast and TikTok dances? Don't worry, you're not in some kind of millennial themed dream. Where am I? It's just called the Gen Z takeover. Yep, that's right, the Generation Z. Those born between the mid-1990s and the early 2010s are stepping into that professional stage with force. With their tech-savvy minds and their passion for change, they're reshaping our workforces faster than you can say Snapchat streak. But here's the twist. Despite their reputation for being glued to their screens, Gen Z is also reshaping workforce norms in surprising ways. And one of those ways is their approach to job loyalty. You see, Gen Z can be very loyal, but they have some solid requirements to remain engaged, productive, and committed. And in this video, I'm going to break down the 5 reasons why Gen Zers say, thanks, next, and quit their job. Coming in at number 5, we have poor management practices. That's right, you, the manager, you are squarely to blame for this one. You see, approximately 45% of Gen Z employees are waving goodbye to workplaces with managers who come straight out of that Dilbert comic strip. From a lack of support to minimal recognition and feedback, Gen Z are not afraid to exit stage left when the management script falls apart. Here's how to fix it. You see, managers need to be proactive with regular check-ins. They need to provide feedback, constructive feedback during those check-ins, and also recognize the achievements of your Gen Zers. Even a simple great job can go a long way to making employees feel valued and supported. At number 4, it's all about company culture and company values. Picture this, you're sipping your cold brew in the break room and suddenly you realize your company's vibe is more of a buttoned up boardroom than casual coffee shop. Around 50% of Gen Z workers feel the burn when their personal values don't sync with the company's values. It's like showing up at a vegan potluck and finding out it's a bacon fest. Here's how to fix it. We should create a transparent and inclusive culture that aligns with diverse values. Encourage that open discussion about the company values and ensure they resonate with the team, or more importantly, that the team resonates with the values. Make your values mean something, not just words on the wall that we look at as we walk into the office. Also, celebrate diversity and make sure everyone feels included and respected, not just with words, but also leadership promotions and positions. In third place, we've got compensation and benefits. Let's face it, Gen Zers, it isn't just about earning that participation trophy. They want the real deal. With approximately 55% of Gen Zers eyeing their paycheck and perks like a hawk. Let me see here. Okay, this looks about right. Yes. Employers offering peanuts instead of paychecks might find themselves ghosted quicker than you can say direct deposit.
I quit.
I mean, they have been trained to also receive participation trophies with a smile as well. Oh my gosh, it's a trophy for me for showing up to work on time. Thank you. Here's how to fix it. Ensure competitive salaries and benefits packages that reflect the industry standards. Consider offering perks that matter to Gen Zs, like flexible work hours, or student loan assistance, or mental health support, or memberships at a gym. Coming in hot at number 2, it's the internal struggle between work-life balance. For Gen Z, they're not just here to just grind and grind. They want time to live their best lives outside of work too. With around 60% of Gen Zers prioritizing the work-life balance, companies that expect them to be on call 24/7 might find themselves swipe left faster than a bad Tinder date.
Already running late to my Tinder date.
So here's how to fix it. Promote a healthy work-life balance by setting clear boundaries and respecting the personal time of your employees. Don't send that 10 p.m. text message that you need something printed. Let them enjoy their escape room with their friends. Encourage flexible work schedules and remote work options. Show that you value their life outside of work as much as their contributions in the office. And now, drum roll please. The number one reason why Gen Zers are hitting the job market is they have a lack of career growth opportunities within the company. You heard that right. Around 65% of Gen Zers are eyeing the exit when they realize that their career path looks more like a cul-de-sac than a highway to success. So if your company's idea of advancement is moving from junior assistant to slightly less junior assistant, you might want to rethink your retention strategy. And so here's how to fix it. Provide a very clear development plan and opportunities for advancement for all of your Gen Zers. Offer training, mentorship, and even upskilling programs to help them to grow professionally. Show them a clear path to career progression within the company. And if they see that and they feel that, they're gonna stick around. So there you have it, folks. Those are the top 5 reasons why Gen Z are bidding adieu to the 9-to-5 grind of poor companies. From poor management to the pursuit of passion projects, Gen Z are rewriting the playbook on workplace expectations. So if you want to keep your Gen Z talent from becoming XZ, take note, adapt, and remember, the future of work isn't just about embracing change, it's about leading the change with a generation that's ready to just shake things up. And if you like this video, you should definitely hit that subscribe button because we're always trying to help you to better engage your people. Speaking of which, my name is Tom. I'm here to help you to engage people on your dance floor. I'll see you in the next video. Oh, here comes the eclipse. Wow!